Hello, Pike Road. What a blessing and what an honor and what a privilege it is to be coming to you as your mayor. Thank you. I'm Gordon Stone, and I want you to know how much we appreciate everything you guys do out there. Summer is about over. School is starting. We are so excited about our school system. Just finished going to the Institute for Pike Road Schools, where all the school employees came together, and what a charged up, energized group we have. So excited about loving and teaching our young people. Thank you to all of you who are involved in that, and not just at Pike Road Schools, but all over the region. Those people who are working behind the scenes to make sure that our school systems are great. Thank you for what you do. I also want to say thank you to those of you who came out and participated in the Life South Blood Drive. What a wonderful event that is, because it gives us a chance to make a difference for someone we don't even know is in need. And it's a great way, and they're just tremendous partners. So thank you, Life South, and thank you to all of our donors. And then also want to say thank you to our planning department. What a great job by Keith Covington, Darryl Rigsby, and all the people involved in planning. Our CD team, just so much work behind the scenes to make sure that you had a chance to see the comprehensive plan as it is, and offer your ideas about the updates that are being considered and that we're trying to put into play. So thank you for coming. 5 workshops, 5 great nights of attendance, and lots of wonderful comments. Thank you. So let's go forward. Don't forget that we have lots of activities still in front of us as we get toward fall, but August is a full month also. We have coming up on August 8th, first day of school, so that is always a fun day. To our first graders and our pre-K kids, the energy level there cannot be paralleled. We appreciate you parents for what you do to get this process started. Also, August 3rd, 10th, 17th, and 24th. Those are dates, 3rd, 10th, 17th, and 24th, that our Arts Council is going to start having card making classes with Pamela Pruitt. And we want to make sure you know that you go to pikeroad.us, look under the Enhance Initiative, and look down to the Arts Council page, and you can sign up for any of these classes, 3rd, 10th, 17th, and 24th at the Art House. Also, the August 14th through the 25th is August 14th through September 25th, every Wednesday, are our luminous watercolor classes. Again, another way that our Art Council is trying to spread the love of the unique artistic gifts that we have in Pike Road by having those artists share their talent with others, so that we build more artistic talent in Pike Road. So we've got the card making classes, we've got the luminous watercolor classes. Also, August 16th and 17th will be a big fun event in the town of Pike Road out at the Ag Center. Our FFA at Pike Road Schools is hosting our 2nd rodeo. Last year was a sellout crowd. It was lots and lots of fun. Really well run by the rodeo company, and great way to support our young people who love being outdoors. Our FFA is the only FFA in Montgomery County, and we so much appreciate the leadership, and we want to welcome our new teacher, Miss Watson. Thank you for choosing to be a part of Pike Road. And don't forget that we're going to have one of the best Hey Look at Us events we have ever had in Pike Road this year. And why are we talking about that now? Because the sign up, the preparation opportunity for that starts right away. August 19th, we open sign up. So get your team together, organize your thoughts, and let us know about your hay bales, where you want them, how many you want, all those little details which are identified there on that sign up sheet, which you can of course find at pikeroad.us under Enhance. Look for the Hey Look at Us sign up form. So don't forget though, go ahead and start preparing. What a great part of our Pike Road tradition Hey Look at Us has become. And then we have August 27th, Introduction to Beekeeping. Every year we do this program, and it is amazing how those who are in the beekeeping business come and learn new tricks, and others who've not done it before come to learn from those who have. It'll be hosted by our friends at the Extension Service, so we really appreciate Ag and Stewardship and the partnerships that we have through our friends at Extension. And then finally, September 13th, we open the window again for ordering your bricks for the Veterans Memorial, where the Walk of Honor is. So you can go online, find that order form also. So a lot of things preparing for the fall, things that are happening in August, and as we get ready to finish off the summer, we hope you have had a great season. Pike Road will pray for you, and we ask that you pray for each other.